Hola, yo soy Susana Lescano, aka Teacher Susie, and I'm a Spanish teacher from Madrid, Spain. I usually teach children, but I've decided to create a channel and everything also for adults. By the way, this is not my voice, I promise. I'm a teacher, and we talk way too much. But anyways, if you really want to learn Spanish, if you've been struggling to learn Spanish, my channel, Spanish.Education, and all of my social media are for you. So make sure to follow and subscribe if you're watching me on Facebook, follow, find me on YouTube, all of that. And this video is so special because I'm teaching you all the basic words and phrases in Spanish. So this video is perfect for beginners, but if you are more intermediate or advanced, also make sure to follow because I upload videos for all levels. But this video is really useful, so make sure to subscribe and enjoy the video.
Hola lovers of Castilian, which by the way is a Facebook community I created for all of us, so find the link in the description. And today we are learning basic phrases and words in Spanish, so congratulations for being here. Now, these are the most important ones. We don't need to know so many phrases to speak Spanish. With this one you can have some confidence and start getting familiar with the language. Now, we have categories, so don't worry, I will guide you. We have things like greetings, things like family, a little bit of everything. Let's start with the words first. These words, of course, when put together, you can make sentences or even questions. Now, these basic Spanish words are really easy, but it's important that you repeat after me. Hola. You know this one because I tell you all the time. Hola. In Spanish, H is completely silent. So, hola or adios. Hola is hello. Adios is goodbye. Adios. A very important one. Gracias. When I'm teaching gracias, thank you to my children, I say this is a magic word. Gracias, thank you. Por favor, that's please. Por favor. Por favor. Sí. Sí means yes. Sí. Sí. Claro. Of course. Claro. Claro que sí. That's like of course. Claro or claro que sí. No in Spanish is no. No. Basically the same thing, but the O doesn't have a U sound at the end. So no. Oh, my favorite. Amor. Amor. Love. Amor. Amor es todo. Love is everything. Todo is all or everything. Amor es todo, isn't it? Now, repeat this video as many times as you want or you need to. But now, let's go with the questions. ¿Listos? Ready? Questions are really important in a conversation, right? In Spanish, the questions also open with a question mark. We have 2 question marks and 2 exclamation points in Spanish. Very important. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Because 2 L's in Spanish always sounds like ya, ya. So, ¿cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Qué hora tienes? ¿Qué hora tienes? What time is it? It's literally, what time do you have? But we say, ¿qué hora tienes? What time is it? ¿De dónde viene? Where are you from? ¿De dónde viene? ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? ¿Dónde vives? ¿Puede ayudarme? Can you help me? ¿Puede ayudarme? ¿Podría ayudarle? Could I help you? ¿Podría ayudarle? ¿Cuánto cuesta eso? ¿Cuánto cuesta eso? How much is it? ¿Cuánto cuesta eso? ¿Entiende? Do you understand? ¿Entiende? Lovers of Castilian, ¿entiende o no entiende? Do you guys understand or not? No, I'm joking. Maybe I'm going a bit fast, but it's because I don't want this video to be to last forever. But please let me know in the comments if you want me to repeat slower. Anyways, you can change the speed of the video in the settings, and you can rewatch it so you practice and practice. Now, let's go with a very important part, which is the greetings, of course. It's very important in Spanish. We appreciate when someone says, hola, ¿cómo estás? Like, it would be very rude if someone doesn't greet us, right? Okay. Uno. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. Hola. Buenos días. Buenos días if it's the morning where you live. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. It's interesting because buenas noches can be the evening or it can be good night. But basically when it's already dark outside, we say buenas noches, even if it's 5 p.m. Buenas noches. But it's mostly night because noche is night. So noches is like nights. ¿Cómo estás? Very important one. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? You would say, estoy bien, gracias, like I'm good, thanks. Or, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? We use it very often in Spain. We say, ¿qué tal? It's also how are you, but like less formal. ¿Qué tal? Or even this one, ¿cómo te va? ¿Cómo te va is how are you doing? How's it going? Oh no, an intruder.
Hey there, it's me again. Sorry to interrupt. I'm just here to remind you to follow and subscribe if you are liking this video. And don't forget to visit Spanish.com to learn more Spanish. Watching.
Let's continue now that she's gone. ¿Qué haces? What are you doing? ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué pasa? It's like what's going on or what's happening. ¿Qué pasa? By the way, guys, the U in Spanish does have a sound. It's a sound U. But when the U is next to Q and sometimes G, it becomes silent. That's why we say que. It's like we skip the U in the sound. ¿Qué pasa? What's going on? Oh, and this is an important and a bit difficult part, guys, which is the verbs. The verbs are really important, obviously, and they are so different from how we use it in English. We will have many classes about them because we don't use them like you are used to, but let's learn some infinitives in this class. That's always the first step. Abrir. Abrir is to open. I open, for example, will be yo abro. You see, it's different. It's not like in English, to open, then I open. No, abrir, yo abro, ayudar, you know this one because we already use it, ayudar, to help, ayudar. Estar, one of the most important ones, to be. Estar is one of the two forms we have in Spanish for to be. Estar. Gustar, to like. Gustar. Gustar. By the way, like this video. Dale me gusta, por favor. Jugar, to play. Jugar. Llamar, to call. Llamar. Querer. Querer can be to love or to want. Querer. Tener. Tener is to have. Tener. Ser, to be. Ser. I told you, sir, to be had two forms, estar and ser. In the next video, I will explain what's the difference between those two if you ask me in the questions. If you say, ¿cuál es la diferencia? Saber, to know. Saber. And last but not least, let's go with people, because a language is something we use to communicate, right? So what's a language without personas, without people? We'll learn some family members and in general people we love. I would like that you also comment down below who's your favorite person, in Spanish of course, from this list that I'm teaching you today. So if your favorite person is, well, all of your familia, you comment familia, family. Sometimes we can't really choose, right? Familia. Or if it's your pet, no, I'm joking. Hijo, son. Hijo. Again, the H is silent, just like in hola. Hijo. And J always sounds like ha ha ha. So hijo is son, but hija is daughter. And this happens all the time in Spanish. Masculines end in O, hijo, feminines and in A, hija. Amigo is a friend, but amigo is a friend who is a boy or a girl. Comment down below. Amigo. And also tell me the feminine. Oh, I gave you the answer, but tell me the other option for amigo. Niña is girl. Niña. Niño is boy, of course. Niña y niño. Don't be scared of the ñ, that letter that looks like an N but it's not. Don't be afraid of it. It sounds like an N and a Y together. Niño. Hombre. Man. Hombre. Me gustan los hombres. Hombre. Mujer. Mujer. Esa soy yo. That's me. Mujer. Sometimes I behave like niña, but I am mujer. Ooh, and you thought this was the end, but no. We have to talk about some weather, guys. It's so important. We do small talk too, just like in America, so weather is always a great option for small talk. And most of our countries, the weather is really good, so visit Spanish-speaking countries, okay? Caliente, you know this one. Caliente, it means hot. Caliente is when something is actually hot. Like, está caliente, oh, this is hot. When the weather is hot, we say more like hace calor. Hace calor. The opposite, hace frío. It's cold. Hace frío. Hace calor. It's hot. Hace frío. It's cold. La lluvia. The rain. Remember that two L's sounds like a Y. Always. Lluvia. Lluvia. Rain. Lluvia. Sol. The sun. Sol. I'm laughing because these three guys, when we're learning sol, you know, it's just sol. Luna, moon, beautiful, right? I love this, I love the name. Luna is feminine, by the way. The moon is a girl in Spanish, and sol, the sun, is a boy, it's a guy. Luna, nieve. Ah, nieve is so pretty. La nieve es muy bonita. La nieve es muy bonita. Nieve. Viento. Wind. Viento. El viento. Okay. Well, I hope these words do help. Please comment below what was your favorite thing. Actually, you could, try to type everything down in the comment section so you practice. When we write something, it's easier to learn and remember. I know learning Spanish may not look like a easy thing to do, but it's an important thing you should do. And trust me, I see great results with my students all the time. Every day I see students confidently learning and speaking Spanish. So, well done if you came here. Felicidades, congratulations, I'm proud of you.
Well, I hope you like it. Don't forget to visit me at iloveyouinspanish.com. And if you have kids, I recommend you get the book on Amazon, this book, Spanish the Fun Way. Your copy will be better than this one. This is the author's copy with a not for resale. But it's the best book to learn Spanish. It's not just for kids. You can learn everything. It's on Amazon and it's also on my website, iloveyouinspanish.com or Spanish.Education. So I recommend you go ahead and get this book to learn more, and don't forget to follow. Thanks for watching. Gracias. Adios.